Welcome to Explorer Caravan Sales. Today, we'll be going through the new Viscount V3 Single bed layout. Viscount has been one of the biggest names in the Australian caravan industry since the 1950s. Years of high quality manufacturing have established the Viscount name as one synonymous with quality. This new layout from Viscount offers something new to the range, a pair of single beds in the 21-foot V3 model. The size of the V3 and its economic design allows for a huge amount of storage space with plenty of extra cupboards. The V3 single bed combines some of the most popular features of other Viscount layouts, like the full-height linen cupboard in the bedroom and the cupboard by the door. You'll also find the full-height kitchen cupboard by the fridge. The build quality of the Viscount range is immaculate, with solid computer-cut furniture throughout their caravans. Their cupboards utilise adjustable Italian-style hinges which hold the cupboard door on tight with minimal room for movement on either side. The drawers are made with solid 16mm plywood and are bolted firmly onto smooth glide metal runners. In the bedroom, the two single beds sit either side of a central cupboard with a bed nook. There's heaps of storage over the beds with shelves with railings to hold your things in place. The kitchen comes with a stainless steel sink with a filter tap. The standard Viscount Caravan also includes a full oven with a mini grill and a gas burner stovetop. Also in the kitchen, you've got a three-way self-selecting smart fridge that chooses its own power source and also a microwave. Across from the kitchen is a comfortable cafe lounge with a trifold table. At the lounge you'll find a pair of reading lights that are great for kicking back with a book on rainy days. In the entertainment department, the Viscount V3 also comes with a TV as standard, as well as a stereo with speakers both inside and out. The ensuite of this caravan has a ceramic sink, a toilet, a washing machine, and also a full-height fiberglass shower. There's also a pair of vents in the roof with a 12-volt fan. The caravan in this video has had the premium pack included, among other extras like these Sirocco fans. Some other essential features that are standard inclusions in Viscounts are the two 9kg gas bottles, the reversing camera, the full-length front tunnel boot, a picnic table, a gas bayonet, and a spare tyre. Viscount caravans are exclusive to Explorer Caravan Sales in South Australia. Give us a call on 8278 5771, pay us a visit at 345 Prospect Road, or find our website explorercaravansales.com.au.